Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is mushroom pulao, a very flavorful rice recipe perfect for any occasions. So let's look into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient is of course mushrooms, and here I have around 700 grams of mushroom which I have diced into thick slices like this. Next I have 4 cups of basmati rice which I have washed thoroughly and then drained it. 2 small onions finely chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped or grated, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, about 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and for the spices today I have 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt to taste, and some ghee, or you can use white oil also for cooking. And today I'll be preparing my mushroom pulao in my rice cooker. So to start off, I'll add in 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. We'll allow the ghee to melt down a bit. As you can see, the ghee has melted. Next, I'm going to add in the bay leaf along with the cumin seeds. Give a quick stir and we'll allow it to cook for 1 minute or till the cumin seeds start sizzling. It's been a minute now, and next I'm going to add in the chopped onions. Mix it well. And I'm going to cover it and cook it for 2 minutes now until the onions turn slightly translucent in color. It's been 2 minutes now, and let's check on the onions. Yes, it has mellowed down quite a lot. Next, I'm going to add in the ginger paste along with the garlic paste. Give a mix. And I'll cover it and cook it for another minute now. It's been another minute now, and I'll give a quick stir and add in the chopped tomatoes, chopped or grated tomatoes. And along with it, I'll add in the turmeric powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. And finally, some salt to taste. Give a good mix along with the spices. And we'll cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes till the oil starts separating. We'll cover it and cook it for another 4 minutes now. It's been another 4 minutes now, and as you can see, the oil has started floating on top. At this point, I'll give a quick mix and I'll add in the yogurt. Mix it well. And I'll add in the mushrooms to it at this point. It might look a lot of mushrooms at this point, but they'll reduce a lot once it's cooked. Mix it well. And we'll again cover it and cook it for 4 minutes now. It's been 5 minutes now, and I have stirred in between once. As you can see, the mushrooms have reduced a lot and it has released a lot of water also. I'm going to cook these mushrooms for another 2 to 3 minutes like this. So I'll cover it again and cook it for another 3 minutes now. It's been another 3 minutes now, and my mushrooms look well cooked. At this point, I'm going to add in the washed rice. And after adding the rice, we'll add in the water. And for 4 cups of rice, I'm adding in 6 cups of pre-measured water. And the extra 1/4 cup, which I prefer to use when I'm cooking in my rice cooker. And finally, I'll add in the garam masala powder. A quick mix with it. Do check in the seasoning at this point. If you feel you need a bit more salt, you can adjust it accordingly. And finally, I'll add in the chopped coriander leaves on top. And I'll cover it and cook till it is almost 80% done. It's been around 8 minutes now. And as you can see, my rice is almost cooked. It's almost 80% done. At this point, I'm going to switch off the rice cooker. And you can see there is a little bit of moisture still left. So what I'll do is I'll cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes before I serve my mushroom pulao. My mushroom pulao has been sitting for another 5 minutes, and you can see how lovely the grains of rice have fluffed up. They are long and beautiful. One more thing, if you don't want to use basmati rice for this recipe, that's perfectly fine. You can use any rice of your choice. And now I'm going to serve it. My mushroom pulao is ready, and today I'm serving it with some chicken keema, and I have a recipe for it which you can click in the above link. My mushroom pulao is ready. It is a very flavorful, quick and easy rice recipe which can be served with any kind of chicken or veg dishes. Do give it a try in your kitchen, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And on that note, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.